do you want to start it?
No, go ahead, you start it.
What's up, guys? We're on day 4. Well,
day 4 of actually working.
Day 4 of actually working on the R. Since the subframe and everything was already out, he decided to get some parts. So this is an unboxing video. We ripped like little boots on the outer tie rod. So we got 2. He got 2 of those, one for each side. And then what else did you get?
Wait, let's just open it up and we'll tell them how we go.
It's a big ass box. Where'd you get this?
ECS to me.
Yeah. You go to ECS and type it lower, you get 20%. Oh, okay.
Got him! Got him!
Let's wait, let's wait. Here.
So I don't think I brought this car up on the channel yet, but it needs a clutch, so we're doing all this. Oh, there's a Porsche on here. You got some stickers. Let's do the clutch. Oh! Oh, man! What is it, like a matte purple?
Purple, bluish purple.
Bluish purple. You can't see that. Oh, it says H&R. What is this?
This is the back. This is the rear.
Oh, we got another one.
Another one. Another one.
Oh, look. It says, thank you, Lord Media, for your... No, just kidding. It's a safety procedure, but so he's got random stuff, warranty claims,
That's it.
stickers.
But don't they look the same though? Oh, we can put this in Hector's toolbox. Here, get one, Andrew.
Is that a American flag? Sticker?
Hell yeah. America.
So like I said, I don't think I've introduced the R or Eduardo to the vlog.
Hey guys.
He's over there. Hello.
Hey. Oh yeah, I'm going upstairs.
Oh. So it's just twisted off from here and then disconnect from there. And then just hold your line somewhere, or else you're gonna run through the same trouble of it. Like his trouble was, it was just dragging everywhere. So the cables just got messed up. I don't think I have it down here, but sorry if it sounds like my nose is a little stuffed. So yeah, just unscrew that, take the connector off, and put the new one in reverse order, and that's it.
It's cold, Alan. I'll go like a 2-pack.
Hey!
Hey, Alan's here.
I see Alan. His
He's
feet.
looking cute.
You got the Yeezys over there? Okay.
For real, must be nice.
So he's just zip tying it right now so that it won't like flap around everywhere, because that's how the other one broke. And what were people telling you all the time?
Oh, people were telling me that I had some wires hanging down from under my car.
He was like, I know, it's okay, it's normal. But now it's gonna be fixed. More friends came. Okay, nice. This is our front wheel drive burnout pad. The hell's this guy?
Burned out the donut.
These are his, and those are mine.
4 plastics.
Y'all took 3 hours to get plastics. Plastics, like 4 plastics.
Plastic.
Oh,
Oh, we got some coils.
I got some coils.
Some race car.
Oh, that's nice.
It's T.I.
What car y'all gonna put that in?
Yeah.
For his,
I don't know.
we just took a bunch of them out of the 88.
My dude's girlfriend brought him a little smoothie. And she got me some ice cream, so we're set. It's cold as shit, but it's alright. These dudes came. Hello, Alan.
Hi.
This is Jose. Hello, and Hector. And Hector's friend. And Sam. Oh. Okay. Hector, what are you doing today? What are you doing today?
I don't know.
This is a V8.
V8. This is a supercharger.
Okay, what else?
This is our boost controller right
Give me a
here.
quick walkthrough. I don't know much about cars, but what can you show me real quick?
I can show you that. This is your intake manifold.
That's your intake manifold.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is your intake manifold gasket.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes over here like this.
Okay.
And then there's a lot of other cool stuff that goes along with that.
So maybe
Like 700 horsepower on a good
right
day.
here.
Low boost. Yeah. 700
Low boost.
horsepower.
Okay.
What it is?
Yeah, what is that? Is that
This
is
holds
that a rubber
our.
band? Holds everything together?
Yeah. At the end of the day, you just
Wrap it on.
put it up right here and close the hood, and you're good
It's like
to
a
go.
quick release.
Yeah.
Okay.
Quick release engine.
This guy is a master. So it's a Honda Civic, basically.
Pretty much.
2 bolts and it's off.
Yeah.
Dile, ya están listos, güey.
¿Quién?
Okay.
Ya mandé mi le damos una foto. Ya va,
Quería venir a ver, pero no me gusta trabajar con.
que venga a ver.
Hey. Oh, man. Hey. Oh. It was like a little. No, I'm looking for my keys. Where are we going, guys?
We're gonna go eat.
We're gonna take a little break because we take a break every time we work on this car. Where are my keys though? Beep beep.
Then we'll burn that fucking carbon and make it a tire.
Dude, where are my keys?
You really can't find your key.
Baby, brand new one.
So we are now in Dario's on hill. Hello. Okay, so Hector. We got Eduardo and Chavez. That's yonder. I don't know what I'm ordering. He doesn't know what he's gonna order. It is 8:01. Let me focus. Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
I need to change that.
It is 8:01.
In the back.
What month are we in?
Chain of scratch.
November 18th, 2018. An angel. Oh Lord. There we go. Hey.
Hey, we're eating out here. We're vibing.
We're vibing.
Successfully.
Out here at the birthday party.
Huh?
Out here at the birthday party.
Excuse me. What?
Party.
I'm ready to have the party in the garage.
Have you never seen that little boy?
Oh God, look at Sam. Oh God, Sam's going up. 300,000.
You'll be my cameraman when I get famous?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm gonna turn